You're hanging from the bar. You're pulling with every ounce of strength until your face turns the color of a ripe tomato. And what happens? Absolutely nothing. Your legs are kicking in the air like an upside-down beetle, but your body isn't moving an inch. Let's be real. You look like a piece of laundry hanging in the wind trying to fly. It's frustrating. You feel weak. But here's the truth. You're not stuck because you lack muscles. You're stuck because you're using your body all wrong. Most people think pull-ups are just about arm strength. That's a lie. If you only pull with your arms, you're like a tiny scooter engine trying to tow a massive truck. It's never going to happen. Let's fix that. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cheat your way to your first pull-up by hitting a secret switch in your back that you probably don't even know how to flip. Stick around until the end, because I'm revealing the one gravity-defying exercise that builds strength even if you can currently do exactly 0 reps. But before we dive into the secret, we need to be honest with each other. Right now, in the comments, tell me, how many clean pull-ups can you actually do? Is it 1? Is it 0? Or can you do half a rep before falling like a sack of potatoes? Drop the number below. No shame here. The Guardian is here to build you up, not judge you. The biggest mistake? You have turtle shoulders. When you try to pull, your shoulders are hunched up near your ears. This shuts down your strongest muscles and leaves your poor little biceps to do all the work. Step 1, the back pockets trick. Imagine you have 2 big pockets on the back of your jeans. Before you even try to bend your arms, you need to tuck your shoulders into those pockets. Pull them down and away from your ears. Can you feel that tightness in your back? That's the big team, coming in to help the small team, your arms. If you don't do this, you're like a superhero trying to save the world but forgot to put on his cape. It just doesn't work. Now, what if you tuck your shoulders but you still can't go up? If you can't go up the elevator, you have to go down. These are called negatives. Get a chair, jump up so your chin is over the bar, and move the chair away. Now here is the secret. Fight the air. Try to go down as slowly as possible. If you fall like a rock, gravity won't respect you. But if you can count to 5 before your arms are straight, your muscles are finally learning the game. This is how you trick your nervous system into getting stronger without ever actually doing a full pull-up. Let's talk about your legs. I see people kicking like they're on an invisible bicycle. Newsflash, there is no bike. When you kick, you're leaking energy everywhere. Squeeze your glutes, squeeze your legs together, make your body as stiff as a baseball bat. A stiff body moves like one unit. A floppy body stays on the ground like jello. And here's the pro hack for your hands. Pull-ups start in your palms. If you're just holding the bar with your fingertips, your brain panics. It thinks you're going to fall, so it turns off the power to your muscles to protect you. The fix: squeeze the bar like you're trying to crush it. Imagine it's an orange and you want every single drop of juice out of it. The harder you squeeze, the stronger your arms become through biological magic. If you do these 3 things, shoulders in pockets, slow, broken elevator descents, and the orange juice grip, your first pull-up is only a few weeks away. Stop being a piece of laundry. Start being the Guardian. Now, if you want the aura and the arm size to match your new pull-up skills, click right here to see the 6 hacks for a sharper brain, because a strong body is useless if the pilot is asleep. I'll see you at the bar.